Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to talk about adjectives. What are adjectives? Students, we use adjectives all the time when we speak and write. So, adjectives are words that describe people, places and things. Adjectives are words that describe people, places and things. See the examples here. A funny clown, a clean city, an old car. Here, funny, clean, old are adjectives. In the first example, a clown is a person. In second example, a city is a place. And in third, a car is a thing. So, funny, clean, old are here adjectives and they are used for the noun clown, city and car. Now, students, look at the first example. First sentence, the dog does tricks. The dog does tricks. Now, let's add adjective to this sentence. The little dog does clever tricks. The little dog does clever tricks. So, here the word little and clever add to the meaning of dog and tricks. Here the word little and clever add to the meaning of dog and tricks. See the second example. It is cute. In this example, it is a pronoun. In this example, it is a pronoun for the noun dog. So, the adjective cute here is the adjective cute. So, the adjective cute add to the meaning of the pronoun it. In this example, students, it is a pronoun for the noun dog and cute is an adjective. So, this adjective add to the meaning of the pronoun it. So, now we can say that adjectives are words that add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun both. So, now with these examples, we can say that adjectives are words that add to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Now students, let us have a look at different kinds of adjectives. Descriptive adjectives or adjective of quality. Next, adjectives of quantity or adjectives of number. Next, demonstrative adjectives. Next, distributive adjectives. Next, interrogative adjectives. And next, possessive adjectives. These are the kinds of adjectives. Now students, we will look at each of these adjectives one by one. First kind of adjective is adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. These adjectives means adjective of quality or descriptive adjectives tell us about the quality or the kind of noun or pronoun. Always remember the word quality. These adjectives tells us about the quality or the kind of noun or pronoun. For example, the sums were easy. We watched an exciting movie. In the first sentence, easy is an adjective and here it shows the kind of sums, that the sums were easy. In second example, exciting word is an adjective and it shows here the quality of movie, that we watched an exciting movie. Or we can say that students, again I am telling you, words showing the kind or quality of nouns or pronoun are called adjectives of quality. Next, adjective of quantity or adjectives of number. Always remember students, these adjectives, adjective of quantity and adjective of number, always answer the questions how many and how much. Adjective of quantity always asks the question how much. Or we can say that words such as, like I am giving you example, few, little, enough, all, half, no, etc. are called the adjectives of quantity. Adjective of quantity always tells us about the amount or the approximate amount of the noun they describe. Adjectives of quantity are extremely useful when describes things. And also adjective of quantity always answer the question how much for the uncountable nouns. Here, example, please pour some tea for me. Here, some is a adjective of quantity. Next example, 30 children took part in the competition. In this example, 30 is also the adjective of number. It answers the how many children, 30 children. And in second example, how much tea, some tea. Now, in this slide, we will discuss about adjectives of number. Students, adjectives of number are also known as numeral adjectives. Adjective of number are also known as numeral adjectives. They indicate the number of nouns and their place in the sentence. Adjective of number always indicates the number of noun and their place in the sentence. And these adjectives always answer the questions how many for countable noun. In previous slide we have studied about the adjective of quantity, and this adjective of quantity always asks the question how much, but adjective of number always answer the questions how many for the countable nouns. Numeral adjectives or adjective of number are categorized into three different sections. Adjective of number, students, always categorize into three different sections. Number 1, definite numeral adjectives. Number 2, indefinite numeral adjectives. And number 3, distributive numeral adjectives. Adjective of number categorized into three different sections. Number 1, definite numeral adjectives. Number 2, indefinite numeral adjectives. And number 3, distributive numeral adjectives. Indefinite numeral adjectives, it is very clearly show the exact number of noun. Definite numeral adjectives always show the exact number. For example, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 34, etc. And they are also known as the cardinal numbers. Remember it. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, etc. are also known as the cardinal numbers. And they provide the information about the quantity of countable nouns. Okay, for example, I am giving you like, I saw 2 people playing football. Here 2 is a definite numeral adjective and it is also called the cardinal number. 2 is also called the cardinal number. And like first, second, third, fourth, they are also adjective of number and they are called the ordinal adjectives or ordinal number. For example, like my aunt will come in the 3rd week of December, or the second girl in the queue is my friend. So here 3rd and 2nd are ordinal adjectives. Remember it, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbers. They are the definite numeral adjectives, but they are called the cardinal numbers. And 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th also the definite numeral adjectives, but they are known as the ordinal numbers. Next, I am telling you about the indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective do not show a definite number. like the definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective always show the exact number like 1, 2, 3, 4 or first, second, third, fourth. But indefinite numeral adjective do not show a definite number. They are like some, many, few, all, several, certain, etc. Third one is distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjective, students, show each person or thing separately. Each person or thing separately out of the group. They are like each, every, either, neither. Remember these four words: each, every, either, and neither. They are called the distributive numeral adjectives. They show each person or thing separately. So here what we have studied about the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. What? Adjective of quantity tells us about the amount. Tells us about the amount and also answer the question how much for uncountable nouns. And adjective of number indicate the number of noun. Okay, number of noun, and these adjective answer the question how many for the countable noun. And they are of three categories like definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective. Definite show the exact number, indefinite do not show the exact number, and distributive shows each person or thing separately. And we have studied about the cardinal and ordinal numbers also, like 1, 2, 3, 4 are known as cardinal, first, second, third, fourth are known as the ordinal. And indefinite that do not show a definite number like some, many, few, several, certain. Okay, and distributive always remember four words: each, every, either, and neither. Next kind of adjective is demonstrative adjective. Students always remember demonstrative adjective point out nouns and pronouns, or we can say that demonstrative adjective point out which person or things are meant. Always remember the word point out. Okay, demonstrative adjective always point out nouns and pronouns. For example, demonstrative adjective, remember that beta, demonstrative adjective always answer the question which. Always answer the questions which. Like this, that, these, those. These four words you have to remember for the demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, those. This and that are used with singular noun, and these and those with the plural noun. This and that are used with the singular nouns, and these and those with the plural noun. And also this and that for the this and these for the nearer things, and that and those for the distance. Okay, see the examples here. Keep these books in the cupboard. I got this pen on my birthday. So here in these two examples, these and this are the demonstrative adjectives. Next, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are used to refer to each person or thing out of two or more people or things separately. Distributive adjectives are used to refer to each person or thing out of two or more people or thing separately. See the examples here, students. Each child got a chocolate and you could tell either story. Each, every, either, neither. These four words, okay, you have to remember. Each child got a chocolate and you could tell either story. In these two examples, each and either are the distributive adjectives, and distributive adjectives are always used to refer each person or thing. Always remember, They are always refer to each person or thing, like each, every, either and neither. Next kind of adjective, interrogative adjective. Always remember students, interrogative adjectives always ask questions. They are used with nouns to ask questions, like whose car is parked under the tree, or which team won the match. Here whose and which are the interrogative adjectives, and always remember these interrogative adjectives always ask the question with nouns. Okay, always ask the question with nouns, like whose car is a noun, which team also. Okay, so interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. Next, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show possession or belonging. In previous chapter also, in the pronoun we have studied possessive. Possessive adjective shows possession or belonging, or we can say that when you want to talk about something that belongs to someone or something, you use a possessive adjective. A possessive adjective, students, always answer the questions related to ownership, such as whose house, whose books, whose television. Okay, so possessive adjectives always show the possession, and they always ask the question like whose house, whose book, and whose television. Like regular adjectives, a possessive adjective always comes before noun that it describes. Always remember, possessive adjective always comes before the noun. Okay, like here are the examples. I cannot find my keys. My is a possessive adjective, and here keys is a noun. So what we have done, we use possessive adjective before the noun. Meena is going to meet her friend. Her friend. Her is a possessive adjective and friend is a noun. So always remember it, that a possessive adjective always comes before the noun. Other examples like my house is on Park Avenue. So my is a possessive adjective and house is a noun. Nick lives with his father. His is a possessive adjective and father is a noun. Other example like we write all our papers on a computer. So here in this example, our word is a possessive adjective and papers is a noun. So students, always remember that possessive adjectives tells us about something that belongs to someone or something. Okay, and a possessive adjective always comes before the noun. Thank you, students.